report from today's trading, Tuesday, 21st of July. I did 4 trades altogether on my fresh account since I passed my eval yesterday. I did 4 trades altogether, all on NQ. I had my little notes for what to expect from the day, and yes, so basically what I went off once the market opened, we straight away broke. So this is the internal structure I was following. We broke below, we displaced, and then head directly to the previous day low. As you can see, we couldn't break below, we just swept it. And once we swept it, I started to look whether we're gonna shift. By then, I mean whether we're gonna have an internal structure charge. Now, once we had this displacement leg after this sweep of the lows at previous day low, I run the volume profile, assuming we're gonna go through this supply right here at a point of interest as easy as possible due to the volume, big push up. When I run volume profile, we could see that the POC aligns along with this supply. And basically my entry was once this candle started to push above. I was looking Bookmap. Bookmap actually shows you the real-time orders. I could see that the order flow shift. I could see that a lot of stock orders about this price level were removed, and therefore the price could quickly skyrocket. The buyer stepped in, and once I got tagged in, I have targeted all these equal lows right here. It was trade 1 to 5.69, and straight after, as you can see, it got back to my entry level. So I was blessed. Since I won. The entry confirmation for trade number 2. Trade number 2 right here. So once we had this micro change, I was following the structure. We retraced back. We have another break of structure here of the micro range. And I was looking to short into discount of this leg, of this bullish leg. So as you can see, I entered short. There was a limit order sitting near the flip of this demand, aligned with the POC of this bullish leg, and this supply that was left behind. So once this supply was left behind, I put my limit order here. We actually reached 1 to 3, which I usually play, but I was targeting this demand right here and waiting for the reaction of that, taking these equal lows. This didn't happen. The price reversed on me and I got stopped out break even. Trade number 3 was lost since, again, we saw displacement here. There is no clear acceptance of higher prices. So I was going off of short. Minority was short at this stage, looking to take all this sell side along with this wick. As you can see, I was targeting reaction off of this demand right here. My entry, so the thought process was, after we created this internal buy side liquidity, there was a left behind near the value area high of the bearish leg, little back side wick candle, which I actually set limit on, thinking that we're gonna go back to this point just to take out this buy side liquidity and that head back down. But as you can see, I was just pushed back up. Looking at it back, I can clearly see that we just took this sell side liquidity to have a fuel to go back up. As soon as my idea was invalidated, I was actually kicked out. This was a loss. I started to look for long. Due to the volume, again, what I did, I ran the volume profile. As you can see, nothing aligned. There was no POC left, which I could play off. So I was looking to see around this area, which can be possible flip, where to enter long. I have entered long. Again, I have multiple confirmation, but one of them was directly given me by Bookmap, where I could see that the bullish order flow is legit and confirming the interest. There was also a big stack of orders that is like a magnet for the price to go and seek that those orders right here sitting at the EQ, previous the EQ. So that was pretty much my target. Also, these equal low highs right here. And I entered off, this was a market order. This actually wasn't a limit order. I entered once I saw this push up before the candle close. I actually entered. My stop loss was at 50% of this last bullish leg, hoping that, that there will be some sort of flip where the price will stop. And once I saw bulls stepping in, that's when I entered. Again, targeting equal highs above and previous day EQ level, just below the full number 28,950, because that's where the big stack of orders were sitting. So just to be sure, this was another 4,256. And that would be all for today. So 4 trades, 1 break even, 1 loss, and 2 wins, altogether giving me almost 1 to 10 R minus that 1 R that I lost. So for a day it was 1 to 9 R. Of course, after we had back up, so I could have held, but to be very honest, at that stage I just wanted to be out and be done for a day. So this is my reporting. If you notice again any sort of pattern that I'm not aware of, please give me a heads up. And I'm always thankful. Thank you very much.